What is up, guys? So in today's video we're gonna dive into Bitcoin, but we're also gonna dive into my top 3 altcoins I will be heavily accumulating in this bear market. So this bear market should last about 12 to 18 months, a little bit over and under 2 years, a little bit over a year and under 2 years. Besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, the main coin that you should be accumulating, I'm going to be talking about the 3 altcoins that I will be heavily accumulating. But let's talk about Bitcoin before I dive into that. Bitcoin currently sitting under $20,000. Okay, we do have a market cap of $367 billion, so it is still quite high. Market cap, if we have a look at the market cap right here in the past day, or in the past year, sorry, we peaked all the way at 1.26 trillion, and now we're currently sitting at 367 billion. So the price is still fairly cheap, in my opinion. It is the weekend right now, so Bitcoin is currently pumping a little bit, dumping and pumping. It's a little bit shaky. We had that nice little rebound from yesterday. We did peak yesterday at approximately 17,721, and then we pop back up. Where are we going? In my opinion, I think we're going to go and retest at least $16,000, if not $9,000, 9,500, but we're going to have to see. If we manage to break $20,000, we could come back up and retest this resistance at 22,000, if not 24,000. We're going to have to see what happens. But starting off my top 3 altcoins that I will be accumulating in this bear market with the number 1, guys. Not really number 1, not in no particular order, but it's going to be crypto.com. Crypto.com Cronos chain is going to be big in my opinion, ranked 24. We got 700,000 people on the watch list. They have a Staples Center for the next 7 to 10 years, I believe. Not the Staples Center, the Crypto.com Arena, which is where the Lakers play, the Kings play, and the Clippers play. So this is pretty big. Low market cap of $2.7 billion. Currently traded at 10 cents right here. Now this did peak at $1, so we can still 10x from here in my opinion. We peaked at 91 cents, I believe. If we have a look at the market cap real quick, we were at 22, okay? So the fact that we're now at 2 billion, that says a lot. We could still 10x from here, 1,000%. That means if you put $1,000, let's do some math real quick. I'm gonna do some math, basic math, guys, nothing too crazy. Assuming you put $1,000 every 3 months, because we're going to be looking at 3 coins divided by 0.1, that's 10,000 crows. Okay, now 10,000 crows, okay, back then, guys, it was a lot of money. Okay, it was $9,000. So if I have a look at 10,000 crows, sorry about that, times 0.92, okay, that's $9,200. So whatever you could have gone a few months ago for $9,200, you could get it for $1,000. Okay, assuming you put 2,000, you get double that the value. In my opinion, crow can still go to 5 cents. It could well go below under 10 cents in my opinion. We could still drop 50% if Bitcoin does drop a lot. But crypto.com, guys, probably one of my top 3 coins, and that's about it. Let's have a look at Chainlink. Chainlink ranked 20. So this was ranked right here at 24. Chainlink ranked 20. We got markup $3 billion approximately, currently traded at $6.25. Before I go to Chainlink real quick, guys, crypto.com price prediction could be $6. So assuming, okay, you have 10,000 crows and that thing goes to $6, that is $60,000 on a $1,000 investment. Okay, I just want to put that out there. And let's do the calculation for Chainlink. Okay, so Chainlink real quick. For those of you guys who don't know, I look at market cap, and the reason why market cap is more important is because it shows a lot of growth. And for those of you guys who don't know what market cap is, it's essentially the price times the circulating supply is the market cap. So higher market cap coin would mean less chance of essentially multiplying your money, or less chance of, you know, moonshotting, let's just say that. And a lower market cap obviously has a higher chance of going 1000x, even 2000x. So, or even 100x. But let's have a look at Chainlink real quick. Chainlink, we did have a market cap right here of 20 billion, almost like crypto.com. Let's have a look and do some math. If you put $1,000 every 3 months or once a month, whatever it is, divided by 6.25, guys, that's 160 Chainlinks. If that thing goes to $500, which I think it will, that's $80,000. Okay, now Chainlink, we didn't bottom. Crypto didn't bottom. Okay, if Bitcoin goes to $10,000, Chainlink will most likely lose 60%. We could see Chainlink at approximately maybe $2.5, 2.8. Let's just say 2.8. So you do $1,000 divided by 2.8, guys. That is 357 Chainlinks. Now, if you do that times 450, let's be realistic. That's $160,000 from a $1,000 investment. Moving on to one of my favorite coins, guys, ranked 90. Now, this is a big coin, and not a Bitcoin, a big coin. And the reason why I say this is because we have low market cap. Now we know that low market cap coins could explode. We know that when we have a low market cap coin, we have a higher chance of multiplying that. So Kadena, $1.65. We got $300 million market cap. We got 275,000 people on the watch list. So community is fairly big. Let's have a look at the all times real quick. Where were we? Okay, so we were right here at we had a market cap of $3 billion. Okay, at the peak, $3 billion. Okay, that's 10x from here. Now, assuming you put $1,000, $1,500, let's just do that, divided by 1.65. Okay, now I think Kadena in the next bull market can well go to 20, even $30 billion market cap. But let's have a look at the price. The price can easily be under $200. So let's say it's 175 realistic for the next bull run, guys. And the next bull run, once again, is most likely going to be in 2024. But let's do that divided or times 909. Sorry, we had a 909. That was $1,500 divided by 1,065 times 175. Guys, that is $159,000. $159,000 on Kadena if you put $1,500. Now, assuming you put $1,000, okay, $1,000 into KDA, let's say you average at 1.38. Okay, so you would do for the next 5 months. So you do 5,000 divided 1.38 because we know we're going to be in a bear market for some time. That's 3,623 KDAs times guys, times 145. Let's do more, maybe more realistic. That's 525,362. Guys, that's a lot of money. So assuming you accumulate chainlink, kadena, and crypto.com, you could well be a millionaire in the next bull market, in my opinion. That's assuming if you keep working, keep accumulating, creating new business and whatnot. So in my opinion, these are the coins you should be accumulating. Not financial advice. Well, not you, me. That's the coin I will be accumulating. You do whatever you guys want. And that's about it. And of course, there's a few other coins, guys, that I will be accumulating on the side, like Polkadot. Polkadot is a great and fantastic coin. Market cap is still quite high. I think this thing can go to $3. We could slash the market cap to $3.5 billion. Decentraland and Sandbox, guys, NFTs, two very, very good NFTs that I will be accumulating, in my opinion, both under $2 billion. Another one that's very good coin, IOTA, it's a DAG, okay? Very, very new, very good coin. Market cap of 721 million, guys. It's very, very low. Fixed supply of 2.7 billion. So this is also going to be very, very big. But the thing is that they haven't been able to recover the 2017, 2018 bear market. I got Moonbeam on the watch list, something that I really want to start accumulating. Market cap is quite low. We got $187 million market cap. So assuming Moonbeam can have a market cap of pretty high, but assuming this thing goes to $50, which is very, very doable. So you do $1,000 divided by 0.62. That's 1,612 times $50, guys. Times $50, that's $80,000. Sorry, $80,000, 645. So $80,645 would be it. Flux also under 100 million. Very, very good. This thing, if you buy Kadena, you should be buying Flux technically. So I would heavily, consider or suggest you guys to do your own research on Flux. And the other one is VRA, guys. VRA Veracity, I mean, there's no question. I bought 200,000 VRA, and 200,000 VRA a few months ago, guys, it was worth $16,000. Now 200,000 VRAs, you know how much you get 200,000 VRAs from? Let's have a look. 0.005, it's $1,000, I believe, but let's have a look. It's $1,000, guys. For $1,000, you could get 0.005, and for $5,000, guys, times 0.005, you could get, 5,000 with $5,000 divided by 0.005, you could get 1 million VRA, guys. 1 million VRA. It's a big, big move in my opinion. I think VRA can go to 25 cents in the next bull run. So with $5,000, you could actually make $250,000. VRA is here to stay, in my honest opinion. They have funds for the next 10 years, they say. So I really, really think that they can do big in the next bull run. Of course, market cap is low. It's only $23 million, guys. Market cap of $23 million. That thing can multiply like crazy. A 4x from here would be a market cap of, I believe, even under 100 million. So that's insane, guys. Let's say this thing 50x times 23. Market cap would be $1.1 billion, which is quite low. $1.1 billion. So 50x is definitely doable. So like I said, assuming you do 50x times 5,000, which is very, very doable, $250,000. Can you 50x want that with $5,000? Yes, very, very possible, especially with this coin. But like I said, guys, at the beginning of this video, the lower the market cap is, the more risky it is. So as you know, guys, bigger the risk, bigger the reward. It just makes sense. Lower market cap means it's more risky, more volatile, more whales. It could be manipulated more and whatnot. So that's about it. 362,000 people on the watch list, ranked 500. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.